The night is quiet, heavy with regret. I trace the roads where all our hearts had met. Your shadow falls across the empty floor, a ghost that lingers knocking at my door. The silence whispers secrets I can't hide, a fragile truth that tears me up inside. And still I walk beneath this endless rain. I'm reaching out, but you are far away. The echoes haunt the words I try to say. My heart still burns, although the flame is gone. I sing your name, but know I stand alone. The tears keep falling, rivers through my hands. A dream of love I cannot understand. Yet in the dark, your memory remains, a fragile flame that nothing can contain. The dawn awakens, but it feels the same. A hollow morning, nothing left to claim. I walk in circles, searching through the haze. Each step a memory I can't erase. The world keeps moving, but I stand behind, a prisoner to the echoes in my mind. And still I wait for something